Hi, it's Paraic here from Horkins. Well, it's that time of year. It's potato planting time in your garden. And if you want to grow your potatoes on your patio, balcony, or out on the decking, then my advice is to grow them in the Vegebag. The Vegebag comes in two sizes, but for growing potatoes, I do recommend picking the largest size. The large Vegebag measures about 3 feet in height by 2 feet in diameter, and it's ideally suited for growing a wide range of your popular potato varieties. Varieties like Vitabella, Cara, Foxton, Rose Lily will all grow brilliantly in the Vegebag. The Vegebag is made from EnviroMesh, which means it's a breathable material. It'll allow a certain amount of air into the developing tubers and stems to keep them cool during the late spring and summer period. But it also is specially designed to keep the wind chill away from the plants, allowing the tubers to grow up to 50% faster than they normally would outside. And the EnviroMesh also is designed to keep pests away from your plants. So if you want to grow your potatoes organically this year without the need for pesticides, then the EnviroMesh on the Vegebag is ideal. So it will keep out aphids, caterpillars, any nasty pests away from the developing plants. It also comes with a zippable lid. So the lid simply just zips either side. And again, the lid is designed to keep heavy rain from the plants, but also to keep out any pests or pets like cats away from your plants. A couple of tips when you're growing potatoes in the Vegebag. First of all, you need a good quality compost, and the compost I recommend is from GrowWise from Bordemona. It's a multi-purpose compost, and to that I add the Vitex Q4 fertilizer. Now, Vitex Q4 is not only brilliant for potatoes, it's also an excellent fertilizer for all edible plants, for your herbs, for your salads, and indeed for many root crops as well. So mix 1 to 2 handfuls of the Vitex Q4 to the compost before putting the compost into the Vegebag. Simply when planting the potatoes, my advice is to put a layer, about a 4 to 5 inch layer of compost in the base of the